Okay, we are recording. I am unboxing today. This just arrived. Oh my God. So here is the box for my new iPad Pro. I'm so excited. Let's see if I can get the packaging off. So this is the 12.9-inch version, which I just ordered a couple of days ago, and the UPS person just delivered. So I've only had another iPad. Let's see, here we go. Woo! Here we go. Oh, wow. Here it is. And what do we have? We have stuff in there. So just as a comparison, I'll show you what my old one looks like. So my old one did not have a stylus, and this is the size of the biggest one they made when I bought that. So now, here we go. And I guess all I have to do is plug it in. I also got this box with the stylus. So I haven't had a stylus before. When I bought my iPad, I had waited years to buy an iPad because I wanted to get the one with the stylus, and it didn't come out, and it didn't come out, and I finally gave up, and I bought the other one, and then they came out with the stylus the next thing. So here's my stylus. So I got all of this with, and here's my charging cord that comes in there. So that was in here, and it looks like we have probably instructions, and so this is great. So I am going to charge this baby up and see what I can do with it. I just got an email from Apple. It says if you want to learn how to use this baby, it gave me a link. So here's my new iPad, which I will be using with my new stylus, and it is this is a 12-inch ruler, so you can see how big it is. It is huge compared to that one. Okay, yay! Thanks for unboxing with me. This was fun.